This is a word. This is also a word. This is a word. Now, when we bring words together, this is a group of words. Now, these are different groups of words. In the morning, after you left, I prepared breakfast. Are they all the same? No. Now, this is a phrase. After you left, this is a clause. I prepared breakfast. This is a sentence. So you see, they are different. They function differently. What exactly makes them different? Today, we're going to talk about a clause. What is a clause? A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. It's a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. If it contains a subject and a verb, then it's a clause. If it has no subject and no finite verb, it's not a clause. It's probably a phrase. Examples of clauses. I am here. I, the subject, am a verb. I am here. You told me. You, a subject, you did the telling. You told verb, me. Because you left. This is a subordinate conjunction. You is a subject here. You did what? You left. Subject, verb. Now, from this, you can see they are all clauses, but they're different. Look at this. I am here. This communicates complete thought, complete meaning. I am here. You understand what I'm saying? I am here. It makes complete sense. I am here. You understand what I'm trying to say. You told me. That's communicating again, complete thought. But look at this. Because you left. What happened because you left? Now, that's not complete. The thought here is not completely expressed, but all are clauses. This is a main clause. This also communicating complete thought is a main clause. While this one communicating incomplete thoughts is called a subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Main clause, subordinate clause. Main clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb and communicates complete thought. But a subordinate clause is a group of words that contains a subject. Yes, it has a subject. Yes, it has a verb, but not communicating complete thought. Because you left. What happened because you left? Incomplete expression of thought. The main clause is also called independent clause. Independent, meaning it can stand on its own because it makes complete thought. There is no need for an addition of words. It already expresses complete thought. It can stand on its own as a sentence. It is independent clause. But the other one, the subordinate clause, because it is not expressing complete thought, it cannot stand as a sentence. It needs some more words to be added. Therefore, it depends on other words for the thought to be completely expressed. It is called a dependent clause. Main clause, also called independent clause. Subordinate clause, also called dependent clause. The main clause can also function as a sentence. My name is Austin. It is a clause that can stand as a sentence. Subordinate clause. If you go, you is the subject there, go is the verb there. So it's a clause, it has a subject and a verb. But if you go, what will happen? Now, that's not communicating complete thought. It is a subordinate dependent clause. We have types of subordinate clauses based on their function in sentences. So the main clause can stand as a sentence, but the subordinate clause cannot stand on its own. So it is joined to some other words or group of words, and therefore they function differently in sentences. Now you have types of subordinate clauses. You have the noun clause. You have the adjective clause. The adjective clause is also called the relative clause. The relative clause. And then you have the adverbial clause. So if you're asked, is this a clause? You want to check, is there a subject and a verb? If there is a subject and a verb, yes, it is a clause. Now, what type of clause? Is it dependent or independent? You are asking yourself, is it expressing complete thought? If it is expressing complete thought, it is a main clause, an independent clause. But if it is not expressing complete thoughts, it's leaving some question unanswered. For example, when you get home, you subject, get verb. But when you get home, what? See, incomplete expression of thought. It is a subordinate or dependent clause. Now, subordinate or dependent clause, you have types. You have the noun clause, which functions as a noun, like a noun in a sentence, acting either as the subject of the sentence or the object of the sentence. You have the adjective clause, functioning like an adjective, describing a noun in the sentence. You have the adverbial clause. The adverbial clause acts also like an adverb, modifying a verb, giving reason, condition, time, place, and so on and so forth. Now, in the next video, I will explain more on this, the types, the subordinate clauses, for better understanding. Now, please do well to like and share. Bye for now.